Today we're gonna be changing the oil on the BRZ. As you can see, it's already up. I usually take it to the Subaru dealership for this, you know, because they check everything, they do it for me, and they check the brakes and everything else in the car, make sure it's good. But I'm too low, they can't fit me on their lift. So I'm forced to do it myself. So, I mean, I know how to do it, it's just the lazy side of me doesn't want to, because they usually wash my car and everything. So here we are, we're going only with the best. We're going with Purple Royal. Here's the pan and extra set of gloves, and I got them on. Let's get to it. It is now draining. Got everywhere. All right, so while it's draining, let's take this out. And we got the new one right there, the K&N. When you put it on, you want to make sure that on the new one you grab a little bit of oil and you rub it on that seal right there so that you get a nice tight grip. I apologize, I haven't recorded the process very well. It's kind of hard to do this. It requires both hands and record at the same time. It's a little tough, but I'll give you a little tip though. Don't do what I did. Try to have the engine a little warm, because if it's not warm, it's cold, it'll take forever to drip out. Think about it like chocolate syrup. Room temperature, you gotta squeeze it real hard out of the bottle and it's really thick. And then think about that warmed up in the microwave, right? It's a lot less thick. Try to have it a little warm. I mean, don't run the car, you know, for an hour, drive around and then get back home and do it right away, because then you'll burn yourself. Let it rest for like 30 minutes. And if you're waking up in the morning, you haven't gone anywhere, turn on your car for like 5 minutes, turn it off and get to it. And again, apologize for not being too attentive. It's just hard to do this and record at the same time because I'm alone, but I'll finish off and I'll let y'all know. Before you put the nut back, do make sure that you wipe the oil pan at the bottom real good. You don't want it to be greasy or anything like that. So wipe any surrounding area and the hole where you put the nut back into. The nut bolt, it has a little gasket. Make sure that you don't lose that, or if not, replace it with a new one. It's always good to replace it with a new one every oil change, but I myself forgot all about it, and this one doesn't look too bad. Disgusting. So make sure that you check this right here. Make sure that there is no oil in there, which is perfect. Now, let's go ahead and put the new oil in. Hear that crack? Settle. Now I spilled a little bit of oil outside onto these wires. Not good. Don't do that. Now this car takes 5 point something quarts, 5.8 I think it is. So that was only 5. There's 2 dots. Make sure that you don't overfill. You don't want to go over the over dot, because if you do, you did too much and now you got to take the bolt out at the bottom, drain it again, and do it all over. So don't do that. For about 5-10 minutes, let it run. Make sure that there's no leaks through the filter, through the underside of the car. You don't want any type of leaks around that. And you see how there's a little bit of room on the corner right there? I triple checked that that is the correct one for this car. I called AutoZone back. I was like, yo, are you sure? They told me that is the one, HP1004. Then I went to the K&N website as well. I put my car, year, make, and model, and it confirmed it as well. And I went to the forum, BRZ FRS forums, and some people asked the same question. Although it looks sketchy, it's confirmed by AutoZone, the manufacturer, and the 100% always trusted forums. We should be good. It's been running for about 5 minutes. I'm gonna leave it there for another 10 probably, and then we should be good. Wanted to make this more like a vlog instead of a tutorial, because there's so many out there. It was just time to do it myself, and I feel really good about this after being done. I feel more connected to my car now, you know. Something as little as doing your own oil change could make you like your car even more. Take it from me. I do appreciate you for watching though. Stay tuned for the next one.
Only way we know to go. Squad